custom versus pre-finished cabinets. We have both of those options available to make sure our clients are going to get that perfect fit for their kitchen. When it comes to the pre-finish, we do buy direct and have a lot of great options to kind of fit within our client's budget, but it's beautiful quality. As you can see here, we do have some pre-finished cabinets that I'm standing in front of in our kitchen showroom, and I love how interesting we've made it just to give you as many different kind of options to see, and we have a ton of samples as well to get it just right. And then you've got your custom cabinets, and that's really exciting too. We have built-in custom cabinets throughout our showroom as well. So we are able to meet our clients' needs wherever that comes. We do a lot of intentional planning on the front end with our clients. That way we are able to guide them in the best direction. But whether it is pre-finish or custom, you're gonna have all these amazing examples of how to make sure this kitchen is the most functional for you. So you get that opportunity with your kitchen just to make it so custom, even when you're kind of using a pre-finish. But when it comes to the white, which one do you prefer? Both are beautiful options. We just go through a series of things to make sure it's perfect for your unique space.